Another day, another
Yeah.
dollar, right? Well, in crypto, it's more like another day, another wild ride.
Eh.
I mean, seriously, things are moving so fast, it's tough to keep up.
I'll say, it's like a roller coaster that never ends. And the craziest part, you never know which way the track is going to twist next.
Exactly. But that's also what makes it so exciting, right? Like today we're diving deep into some market movers, regulatory developments, and then individual projects that are just like shaking things up.
Absolutely. So, where do you want to start?
Well, let's kick things off with a head scratcher. GameStop, of all companies, is apparently raising a massive $1.3 billion to buy Bitcoin. Yeah, GameStop, the meme stock king.
Oh, yeah, that GameStop. Wow, $1.3 billion. That's a serious commitment. But hey, it looks like they're taking Bitcoin seriously as a treasury asset.
I guess so.
Yeah.
It's pretty wild to see a traditional company like that making such a bold move. Kind of makes you wonder what they know that we don't, right?
Right. And speaking of big moves, Fidelity, the financial giant, is testing out their own stablecoin. It's almost like everyone's getting in on the crypto action these days.
It really does feel that way.
Hmm.
Even Trump has been talking about stablecoins and how important they are for maintaining the U.S. dollar's power.
That stablecoin narrative is getting a lot of attention. And it's interesting to see how different players are approaching it. Like, Wyoming is planning to launch their own state-backed stable token called WYST as early as July.
WIST, really? Wow, a state-backed stablecoin. That's a first. It's like a wild west of finance out there.
It's certainly an innovative approach, but let's not forget about BlackRock. Their BUIDL tokenized fund has exploded in popularity, nearly tripling to almost $1.9 billion in just 3 weeks.
3 weeks. That's insane. So what's driving that growth?
Well, it seems investors are looking for safer real-world assets, especially as Bitcoin's price has kind of stalled out recently.
I see. So while Bitcoin takes a little nap, investors are looking for other opportunities. Speaking of opportunities, any news on the regulatory front?
Actually, yeah. Looks like that IRS DeFi broker rule might be repealed soon. It could be a huge win for DeFi platforms, making crypto transaction reporting much simpler.
Really? That would be amazing. And what about the SEC? They've been pretty quiet lately.
Not exactly. The SEC's crypto task force is hosting roundtables on DeFi, custody, and tokenization over the next few months. They're aiming for clearer crypto rules, which, let's be honest, we desperately need.
Couldn't agree more. Clear rules would be a game changer. And speaking of changing the game, North Carolina is considering putting up to 5% of their state retirement funds into crypto.
Wow, 5%. Now that's a serious vote of confidence from a major institution. It's like they're saying, hey, crypto is here to stay and we want a piece of the action.
I mean, it does make you wonder if other states will follow suit, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now, shifting gears to individual projects, Revolut just dropped their new crypto exchange app, Revolut X. UK and EEA users get access to over 400 trading pairs and more than 200 tokens.
400 trading pairs. They went all out.
They did. Meanwhile, the movie e-token shot up 25% after a massive buyback. Looks like they're trying to combat some shady market maker practices.
Market maker drama, always fun. But you want to talk about a wild ride. Hyperliquid delisted jelly after their AMM vault got exploited.
Yeah, that was a rough one. But here's the kicker. Binance swooped in and listed Jelly, and the price skyrocketed. Like 560%.
No way. Talk about a comeback story.
It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes. It just shows you how unpredictable and exciting this space is.
Totally. So to sum it up, we've got traditional finance giants dipping their toes into crypto, potential regulatory changes on the horizon, an individual project that are still as volatile as ever.
It's a wild mix, that's for sure. But that's what makes this space so fascinating right now.
Absolutely. It's a constant learning experience. And we want to hear from you. What do you think all of this means for the future of crypto? Hit us up in the comments.
Yeah, let us know your thoughts.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this deep dive with your friends. We'll be back soon with more crypto insights and analysis. See you next time.